This is a simple, easy to follow tutorial. White lightning can be diluted into a spray bottle or a bucket. Clean your item carefully, making sure to rinse it well before you paint. Using my flat medium brush, I applied one even coat of dusty blue. Dixie Belle's No Pain Gel Stain does not require sanding before application. Using an application pad or a cloth, you can apply it in the direction of the wood grain to cover the old wood surface. I applied one even coat to the top of the table. Using a spray misting bottle filled with water when painting on your second coat helps minimize any brush strokes and keeps your paint finish looking smooth. I applied Best Stain Wax in black with a small craft brush to the interior crevices of the table. I then wiped back with a clean, soft cloth. What a beautiful classic makeover to a boring brown table. I hope you enjoyed this simple painting tutorial by Dixie Belle.